Hi, everybody. My name is Debbie Wells, and I work as a licensed social worker in Ohio. I live about 40 miles north of Cincinnati and work for a community mental health agency. My clients are all adults, mostly homeless individuals who are duly diagnosed with substance use disorders and mental illness. So far, what I have enjoyed most learning about was when we took the research class. I really liked learning about how to use the spreadsheets in Excel and learning how to kind of manipulate the data to create the reports and the spreadsheets and the charts. I found that very useful and pretty timely with what I'm working on professionally right now. For this class, I think what I'm most interested in learning is really to get a better understanding about how the policies and how all the different components work together. The judicial, the legislative, I have the basic government understanding, but really raising my own awareness and increasing my own knowledge about how all of that impacts the social welfare all the way trickle down to my clients as individuals. I find that very interesting and am really hoping to improve my personal understanding of that so that I can become not just involved, but more effectively involved with social policy in my area. So that's what I'm hoping to get out of this. And thanks for listening. Bye.